Evotech Performance have been supporting teams in the British and World Superbike Championship for years, and we think the racetrack is the ultimate proving ground for our parts. In fact, you can often find us in the BSB paddock supporting mechanics from teams such as McAMS Yamaha, so we thought it'd be a great idea to get some of the riders to our factory to see some of the parts that they use on their bikes being made from start to finish. So we've got Taz and Jason coming to see us today, and we're really looking forward to seeing how they get on in the factory.
It's my first time here at Evotech, and blown away by it, to be honest. You know, like the machines in there, the guys in there doing their thing. It's you know, it's incredible. So yeah, really happy to have a look around, have a go on a few bits, do a bit of powder coating, bit of work in the machines and making a few parts, and hopefully do all right on it. We're probably bad in a way that when we turn up to the track we see the Evotech parts on the bike, but we don't really think anything to it. We just concentrate on riding the bike, so it's nice to have a different angle of it and come and see the guys making them and packing them, posting them, and yeah, it was a whole different experience. I didn't really know what I was getting myself into today, if I'm honest, but next thing I'm powder coating and in the machine, so it's yeah, cool experience to see what goes into our race bikes. I like I think it was a milling machine, when you get your hands on, that was cool as well. Doing the tail tidies, I think one of the machines we're working on there, that was quite good, and quite enjoyed the powder coating as well, to be honest, quite therapeutic. And even the printing on top of the crash bobbin, it was quite a nice job because you're sat down. I'm not a grafter by any means, so the fact I got to sit down was nice. We're really privileged in our position. We turn up to a circuit, everything's done for us, and we've got the best of everything. And you know, to come here today and to see these guys making the best parts that go on our bikes is really cool to see.